Welcome to Puzzle Divination. I'm Iris Nightstar. Puzzle Divination is using randomness of solving puzzles combined with numerology to focus your intuition and receive guidance in a fun, structured and completely unique way. Symbols, words and numbers all carry meaning, and puzzles force the brain to slow down enough to notice them. By using Pythagorean numerology as the foundation for interpretation, we allocate a numerical meaning to each letter of the alphabet. As you can see here in the book on page 11, we have the chart showing the letters and their corresponding numbers, and also each number has its own resonance. For example, 1 is the number of leadership, independence and new beginnings, and 2 symbolises balance, cooperation and sensitivity. So depending on where the words appear and how long they are can depend on the message that you're going to receive. All the puzzles that we use in Puzzle Divination share something important, and that's that they're grid-based. Word searches, number searches, Sudoku, kakuro and nurikabe. They all give us a consistent structure to work with. And this is where the magic happens. By dividing any grid into 9 boxes, numbered 1 through 9, we tap into the symbolic numerology meanings behind each number. So if a word lands in box 1, like so, let's turn it over so you can see So if it lands in box 1, it's covered by the theme of leadership and initiative, and if it's in box 2, the same word will give you a different message. So for example, if the word path appeared in box 1, it would be leaning towards taking the lead, whereas if it appeared in box 7 down here in the grid, it's going to be a message more about solitude and deeper reflection. Now you can choose whichever puzzle type you feel drawn to. You might want to pick nurikabe because you think something is being hidden and you want it to be revealed. Or you might go to Sudoku to bring some order to chaos. But we can delve into the deeper purposes in later videos. But let's start with something familiar. Most of us grew up doing word searches, and I'm sure you had some words leap out immediately and others just will not be found. And that's not random. What jumps out, what stays buried and where the blocks appear, it all carries meaning. And every puzzle becomes a map for intuition and understanding. I'll be posting daily Puzzle Divination readings starting from Monday, 24th of November. So hit subscribe and see what messages the grid holds for you each and every day. We can also call in extra guidance to the readings through the Nightstar Familiars, but I'll explain exactly how that works in the next video. Until then, decode, discover and divine.